Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to set up and use Apple Pay on your Mac in Safari. It's easier than you might think. First things first, we need to set up Apple Pay on your Mac. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then, click on System Settings. Once the System Settings window opens, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay, and click on it. This will open all of your Wallet and Apple Pay settings. Now if you've already got cards connected to Apple Pay on other devices, like your iPhone, they should appear in a list at the top. If not, or if you want to add another card, click on Add Card. You'll see a list of cards you've already added to Apple Pay on other devices. If you don't see any cards listed, you'll be prompted to set up a new card. Alternatively, click on Add a different card, and follow the step-by-step process to add a card to your Apple Pay wallet. Okay, so once you've got Apple Pay set up and your cards are showing in this list, you can exit out of System Settings. Now, open your Safari browser and find a website that supports Apple Pay. Most major retailers do. At the checkout process, you should see the Apple Pay logo. Click on it. After a few seconds, a pop-up screen will appear displaying your Apple Pay information. Here's where you want to double-check everything. Make sure the correct card is selected, your contact email is correct, and the shipping address is the right one. You can usually also select your preferred delivery method here if the website supports it. Once you're happy with all the information, simply click on the Touch ID button on your Mac to authorize the transaction. And that's it. Your payment will be processed securely through Apple Pay. So that's how you set up and use Apple Pay on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips from Roam Tech.